Okay, good morning everyone. So we're here to discuss all about ratio. Okay, so we will be applying here what we learned from our previous video, which is simplifying, finding equivalent ratio, and finding the missing quantity in a given ratio for two or three quantities. So let's start our first word problem. There are 355 police officers guarding the checkpoint during the community quarantine. The ratio of the number of policemen to the number of police women is 3 is to 2. Find the number of policemen. We will be using model drawing method to solve this problem. So based on the problem, we know that we have here the policemen and the police women. The policeman corresponds to 3 units and the police women corresponds to 2 units. And according to the problem, that there are 355 police officers. So the total number of policemen and women is 355. That means we need to count the total units. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 units is equivalent to 355. But what do we need to find? We need to find the number of policemen. Okay? So that is, we need to find first how much is 1 unit. So to get 1 unit, we will divide 355 by 5. And the answer is 71, which means 1 unit is equivalent to 71. Going back to the number of units for the policemen, there are 3 units for the policemen. So that will be 3 times 71. And 3 times 71 is 213. Therefore, we can say that there are 213 policemen in the checkpoint. So this will be 71, 71, 71, 71, 71. Let's have now problem number 2. There are 3,766 food packs to be distributed to the frontliners in 3 different cities. The ratio of the number of food packs for City A to the number of food packs for City B is 2 is to 3. City C had 126 more frontliners than City B. How many frontliners does City A have? So again, let us use a model drawing method for this problem. So this is a 3 quantity problem because you have City A, B, and C. So City A corresponds to 2 units. City B corresponds to 3. But City C does not have any given units in the problem. But we know that City C had 126 more than frontliners than City B. So meaning City C has also 3 units but more than 126. Okay, it has more than 126 frontliners. But we don't know if that 126 is equal to the other units. Okay, and also based from the given, um, the total food packs given to every city is 3,766. So first, we need to subtract 126 to 3,766 so that we can get all equal units of the quantity. So 3,766 minus 126, that is 3,640. So the remaining units, the 8 units here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is the equivalent of 3,640. So we have 8 units is equal to 3,640. So we need to get how much is 1 unit. So 1 unit is 3,640 divided by 8. So that will give us a 455. So meaning 1 unit is 455. So the question is, how many do we have for CTA? CTA has 2 units. So that is 2 units is equal to 2 times each unit has 455. So that is times 455. So that's equal to 910. Therefore, there are 910 frontliners at CTA. Okay, I hope that is clear. Let's now go to our last word problem. A local government unit prepared relief goods for indigent families. The ratio of the population of indigent families in Barangay A to the population of indigent families in Barangay B to the population of the indigent families in Barangay C is 4 is to 7 is to 9. There are 26 more indigent families in Barangay C than Barangay B. How many indigent families are there in Barangay A? So again, this is a 3 quantity ratio problem. So let's represent that. We have Barangay A, Barangay B, and Barangay C. For Barangay A, it corresponds to 4 units. Take note, it's important for you to write the ratio properly because here it was mentioned that it's from A to B to C. So this is from A to B to C as well. For Barangay B, there are 7 units. And then for Barangay C, we have 9 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There. Okay. So we are asked to find how many do we have for Barangay A. But we know that there are 26 more indigent families in Barangay C than in Barangay B. So there is no total here given, but we know because Barangay B and C have a comparison wherein Barangay C has more indigent families and that is 26, which means this extra 2 units here is equal now to 26. So for us to get 1 unit, we will just have the 26 here. So we know that 2 units is equal to 26. To get 1 unit, that's just 26 divided by 2. So it's equal to 13, which means 1 unit here for everyone is equal to 13. Okay, for all. So to get the number of indigent families for Barangay A, we have in Barangay A 4 units. That's equal to 4 times 13. Okay, so 4 times 13 is equal to 52. So therefore, there are 52 indigent families in Barangay A. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you learned 3 different ways on how to solve word problems related to ratio. Thank you and see you next time.